Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to present to you the Boyum IT's Produmex WMS release notes 2023.06. We are going to start out with the highlights and then outline the new features of the fresh release. Stay with me and get familiar with what the new release has to offer. In our video today, we are going to discuss the improved presentation and searchability of the workflows in the organizational structure, the duplication of parameter sets, the customization of the user interface on the mobile thin client, the consolidation of the log files, and a new testing-driven feature to the FAT client to force searching for pick list numbers only. When clicking the Workflows tab in the organizational structure, the table now features such information about the workflows as name, version, execution type, objective, providing a brief description of the workflow's purpose, process type, details, containing a link to the workflow description on the wiki, type, and update date time. A dynamically updated filter field is also added to the window to quickly narrow down your search for your needed workflow. To further enhance accessibility, line numbers are added to the workflow scripts in the Edit Script window option. A new Duplicate button is added to the parameter set selection on the Extension Parameters tab. This function enables modifications to an existing parameter setting while keeping the integrity of the original one, supporting saving and reloading modifications for the new parameter set. With this feature, instead of having one configuration possible for all processes, now users can have one per process. The existing customization feature on the mobile thin client is now extended to all workflows by hiding screens and buttons via screen timeout options and setting default selections. The customizations can be defined by different users and user groups. The log files to all the components of WMS are now saved into one common directory for an improved interoperability. A new configuration to the FAT client has been added to force search only for pick list numbers, mainly for testing purposes, and in order to speed up search when the pick list number is provided in advance. Note that at this point the setting is only available by editing the configuration file directly. To learn more about the new features of Produmex WMS, check out the official release notes documentation on Produmex Wiki. This concludes our video on the new features of Boyum IT's Produmex WMS 2023.06. We encourage you to upgrade to this latest version of our solution and to keep in touch concerning any questions you might have. Please visit our community on the link below and stay tuned for our upcoming videos.